Okay, let's have another go after that. Dragon fun game, even though I lost, but it was huge fun. Okay, so kicking off the auto pairing. Okay, will we get a game soon? Any plans to watch? I'm waiting. Who can we watch? Bad Blue, Fight Club. So what's going on here? Bishop c4 any good? I suppose knight c6 or something. Ah, okay, we've got a game. Maybe Smith-Morra Gambit. Okay. So it's c3 Sicilian territory. Trying to gambit a pawn anyway. He's not going to take it, is he? Oh, if I just take and then knight c3. If he doesn't take it. Ah, that looks awkward. Looks like backward development. I don't know, knight's usually wanted there. I'll keep the bishop locked out, like a sort of fringe defense type position. Maybe a3, so I don't have to worry about that. Knight b4. Possibly h4 here or knight g5. I think h4 is interesting. He takes g3, bishop moves king g2. Play a safer way this position, just maybe g3 here for h4, then king g2. Unless he's going to use this f file. Okay, so something like bishop e3 and knight g5, h6, knight f7. I think bishop e3 and knight g5, that pawn's good for supporting knight g5. Right. EF, doesn't that expose his king a little bit more than mine because of that peg on right, if I play bishop e3 here, then knight g5 is a little bit more vulnerable without the f7 pawn, surely. Then queen h5 is on the cards. Okay, so if he goes, I don't think he can go for that. There's queen h5 is on the cards. It's always a little bit controversial, f6. It does weaken the king a lot. It gets this dynamism, but it weakens the king a little bit. Maybe hg here. Just use the h file. If I king g2, rook h1, queen h5, king g2, rook h1. Keep hold of d4 here. Okay. King g2 here, I don't think that's too bad. Getting ready for rook h1. On g4 he's got knight check here, so I think rook h1 is going to be good. g4 is possible now. G6, is that possible? Like, G6 is actually dangerous. Takes and look at Queen H8. That looks dangerous. Okay. Bishop G5 is possible here. Try and win the exchange. Taking, I don't know if that's harmless. It does win a pawn. Closes up my attack. There's Bishop G5 after. I'll go for it, I think. Maybe Bishop takes F5 and Rook E1. Just keep that pin for a moment. Then there's Queen F7 and there's Queen G8 potentially. Let's use that E file. So Bishop F5 and he's got Rook F5. Okay. Okay, I think it's difficult. Queen E7, Rook E1. Okay. He has blocked out my attack. Just keep the pressure for the moment on this pin. I was hoping. Okay, let's see. Tricky. What about Rook H4? That'd be useful, I wonder. Right. Okay, Bishop F6 is almost interesting. And Queen H4 for a moment. Try and encourage Knight F5. I really want to just take there to get this E file. Essentially, he's got this diagonal. Okay, take there finally. In fact, haven't I got Rook E8 and Bishop F6? That'd be crunching, wouldn't it? Because this pawn's actually useful now. I'll just put the bishop on D4 here. I think Knight D5 now. It's got, I suppose, Queen D6. Oh no. Queen D6 there. All the pieces a bit. Oh, it's Queen H6. Queen D6. How would I answer that? These are a bit loose. I think just. Right, let's keep that pin there. What about just Queen F4 for Rook H6? There's Knight E6, Queen E5. Get that pin back. Also, I can take. Yeah, I've got the pin on here. I've got an extra knight. Shouldn't be too bad. He's speeding up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. It was an interesting game. I guess. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.